Where on one hand, I'm corresponding, the relationship between music and art. Music from a compositional standpoint, you have phrasing, like
idea of intersubjectivity phenomenology. But before we get into intersubjectivity phenomenology, let's explore specifically different sorts of solipsism. One aspect of solipsism says that only the mind exists.
But I didn't have, sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. Looking cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.
Why we hear octave, it turns out that we hear logarithmically, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So, when you hear A chord, primarily is 440 hertz. That is the number of waves that occurs per cycle. Hertz was actually named after a person. When you double the frequencies, 440 hertz, you get 880. So you have
empirical, we have inferential, we have subjective, we have objective, and we have anecdotal. And the way they go about evidence is a sort of circular.
Mirrored projection, some sort of mirrored manifestation of projection, or